How to check battery health on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find your battery's maximum capacity, cycle count, and other important information. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Battery Health and Charging. On some iPhone models or iOS versions, this may simply appear as Battery Health. Here, you'll see Maximum Capacity, which shows your battery's capacity compared with when it was new. You'll also see the battery health status. If it says normal, your battery is generally operating as expected. If you see a service recommendation, your battery may need attention. On supported iPhone models and newer iOS versions, you may also see the cycle count. This tells you how many complete charge cycles the battery has gone through. You can also review other battery information and recommendations shown on this page. Keep in mind that battery capacity naturally decreases over time with normal use. Apple recommends considering battery service when the battery's capacity has significantly degraded, or you're experiencing noticeable performance or battery life problems. And that's it. Now you know how to check your iPhone's battery health and cycle count. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.